Merry Christmas to the Lottery Stocks fam. I hope you guys are all enjoying your weekend, enjoying your holidays, and today is the day we celebrate, tomorrow's the day we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. So remember, spread peace, love, positivity.
The fuck is that?
But I got the laptop right here next to me. I wanted to make a quick car video and kind of be face-to-face in the camera today instead of being over on the computer. Just because I wanted to come out and connect with you guys. Yesterday we dropped a Bitcoin video, my price prediction for 2024. And of course we've been putting out good content every day. What we're looking at right now is, of course, the S&P 500 has been rallying for 7 weeks in a row, all green weeks. And what I'm looking at right here, in case you're wondering why I keep looking over, is I have all my stuff. I have all this stuff right here. So the S&P actually just notched its longest run of weekly gains since 2017. And this brings up the point that you guys need to make sure when the time is right, you don't lose out on the gains that you already have built up, because the market is in extreme greed. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that the market is going to sell off or just yet. So to give you guys some things happening this week, it's actually, I don't know if it's a Christmas miracle, but no one's reporting earnings this week, which is pretty insane, right? So we usually drop the earnings in Discord and we're like, all right, let's get ready. In case you guys want to play these earnings, here's the earnings for this week. There's no earnings happening this week. There is supposed to be a Santa Claus rally into the 2 days of next year, right? But are we going to have that? Is there going to be liquidity flowing in? Because it seems like it's going to be a choppy week. Markets are closed on Monday, tomorrow. And then on Thursday is really the only day where we have anything happening at all. We have initial jobless claims coming out, pending home sales data, and then crude oil inventory data all happening on Thursday. Yes, this has been a very busy year with the market. If you've been following the channel, we have made some gains, right? We've made some gains in Discord. It's been a decent year. And honestly, I can't say it enough that 2024 is going to be our year. 2024 is going to be insane. Stuff I have coming for you guys, but not only that, not only the content, but trading in general. How much of a better trader from last year I am myself, as well as plenty of you guys. We're going to take over this year. The goal is to get financially free for anyone watching this to quit their 9-to-5 that they don't want to work anymore, right? If you like working it, then that is perfectly fine, but make some money on the side, right? That's what we're here for. Make major gains. Looking at the SPY really quick, it is almost reaching the very top of the RSI on the weekly, okay? Just to specify, on the weekly. When this happens, it tends to have a healthy pullback. Nothing insane, but something healthy. The last time, of course, was different. We had a nasty correction in July of 2023 all the way until October. We're on the weekly again. I don't think we're going to see something as aggressive as that, right? I expect a bottom at most to come to 458 on the SPY. I don't see it going lower than that. So that's just something to pay attention to. I wanted to jump over into crypto really quick and touch on that. The spot Bitcoin ETF could be approved next week. So it was late January, then they said January 9th. Now it's saying potentially next week. And what is this going to do for crypto? Well, I wanted to come out here and say a couple things. First of all, this is according to former White House Director of Communications. But not only that, SEC themselves just told Bitcoin ETF applicants, so anyone filing for a Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity, BlackRock, Vanguard, right, more, Valkyrie, right, who, in quotes, submit final changes by the end of next week. So that means maybe not to be approved next week, or at least some, right? At least maybe not be approved next week. But the SEC is basically saying, hey, we got the green light for not next week, but the week after to potentially put an approval through, which would be the 9th, right? The week of the 9th. So that is definitely something to pay attention to. Also, just another sprinkle on top for crypto. Russia will make a significant Bitcoin mining data center in Africa. So not only is China turning around, Russia turning around on crypto, Nigeria turning around on crypto, etc., but banks may just be potentially shifting to crypto, right? These governments may be switching to crypto. And then Japan ended Bitcoin and crypto tax on unrealized profits. So that's a major thing as well. Bitcoin is still holding up at that 44 level. If you haven't seen the price prediction, go watch yesterday's video. That's an important one. The miners, okay? Mara, Riot. I want to talk a little bit about Mara, and if I can, I'll put a screenshot of the chart here. But Mara is at a dangerous level, okay? These are good up until the halving, or at least close until the halving. I think Bitcoin is overall just the place to park money. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you want to make money on the side on these, that is perfectly fine. I have done it. Looking at the chart, this is usually where like Mara curls up, like back in September of 2016, and peaks there. Okay, which is the previous like resistance before it would break out into a new trading range. Mara sitting there right now. If we get a pullback, this could be the peak of Mara. This could trap everybody in the play, and I want you to be aware of that. How do you prevent it? Lottery sucks. I don't want to miss the run. You set a stop loss. It's that simple. I have we're in the trading challenge on Riot, and I do have a stop loss on my Riot shares. Just be aware of this, right? I'm not saying it couldn't break out, but just be aware we are at a crucial level with that. Oh, and Tesla, the Tesla trade. If the market pulls back, Tesla pulls back, crypto pulls back, don't be surprised, because you're in short-term options. That was a very risky move in general, but don't be surprised because the RSI is overbought in several plays. Not Tesla. Tesla looks good, but we have not seen a pullback, and it would be healthy. So that's something to note. I'm in longer-term Tesla calls. Tesla RSI is just sitting right around the 50, so it's actually looking pretty solid. Tesla is opening a lot more room to run. And I want to get into our meme stocks right after this, our quote-unquote meme stocks. I want to talk about that before the video closes, but I want to show you real quick. And honestly, I really want to buy one of these in the future. I think they are fire, okay? The Cybertruck beating a Porsche 0 to 60 while towing a Porsche. This is just awesome to see. And I'm just really surprised with the Cybertruck. These things are basically like, they seem indestructible, they seem fast, and they seem just insanely good, right? Especially for the price. Some people think it's pricey, but I don't know. Now, touching on our meme stocks, short sellers are down billions of dollars, which we do know, which in my opinion, going forward, when the market starts to climb, if it starts to climb in 2024, which is what is expected due to the rate cuts, as well as TMF. If you're in TMF, drop it in the comments down below. Just comment TMF, fam. That is going to do extremely well over the next year. I'm going to hold that. I still plan on holding that up a decent amount. AbbVie, XRX, all those plays, right? But short sellers are potentially going to get liquidated coming into the new year. This is also going to be dangerous for other plays, right? Because hedge funds are overcrowding trades. Hedge funds are propping up the market. Hedge funds are overcrowding crypto. So just be aware of these liquidations. The safest way to go about it is stop losses. Stops will prevent gains from being lost. Now, they are stealing from the American public by @JohnBRDA on Twitter. Naked shorts with Torchlight, ticker symbol TRCH, going from 30 cents to $11 in 6 months, leading to a $1.98 billion MMAT merger, and now he's fighting for MMTLP. Real quick, AMC is also the most oversold it's ever been on the RSI. The only time we've been this oversold was March of 2020, which was way back when AMC got hammered down from IPO. So just keep that in mind. This is a really, really sad chart. There's not room for downside. AMC looks horrible. There is no room for downside, especially with the way short sellers are. There's no room. There's room for upside. There's unlimited room for upside here. Also, another thing, I'm going to leave it linked in the comments just for Christmas, guys. You don't feel obligated. I'm going to leave a charity link in the top of the video. Basically to help save animals from abuse. If you want to donate, you can for Christmas. If not, you don't have to. Feel free. I know there are a lot of people struggling with money right now, and if so, you need to subscribe to the channel because we are on this journey of financial freedom together. But yeah, if you guys want to help out, I'm going to leave it linked in the top of the description. It's for ASPCA, so it's charity. Just donate whatever you want, or don't at all. It's up to you. Moral of the story, this video, prepping for next week. Don't let these gains become losses in your portfolio. Stop losses are the way to go. Also, chit-chatting with people doing the same things who, like, for example, myself, I personally am in Bitcoin, I'm in these crypto plays, I'm trading back and forth, I'm watching the market, I'm doing this and that, right? I'm someone you maybe want to talk to, right? Or the other 500 of the people like me who are in Discord doing the same things. These are some people you might want to talk to. To start the new year, I would like to say, you guys should level up. You should get in the Discord. The link is right under the video. This is Christmas time. Whatever you're going to get on Christmas, whatever you plan on doing to start the new year, gym membership, whatever, this is the cheapest Discord. Come talk with me. Come talk with the most amazing people up your trading journey, because we are here to make some serious money in 2024. And this is no joke. So to close out the year, of course, as always, get your free stocks. The link is under the video for Mumu. Do it before December is over. Once you sign up using my link and make a deposit, you're getting up to 15 free stocks. Each of these stocks are valued at $2,000 per stock. So there are extremely good benefits to do so. Again, you just use the link, sign up, open an account, and make a deposit. It takes about 2 minutes out of your day. And when you're sitting down at the dinner table with everybody for Christmas, opening gifts, whatever it is, just know that you are celebrating the birth of Christ. And also know that if they didn't sign up using my link, send them to the YouTube so that they can get free money. If anyone in your family is struggling, get them free money. Just sign up, deposit a penny to start getting free stocks. $20 helps, 200 helps, 500 helps, 30,000 helps. Whatever you end up receiving from these free stocks helps. That's it, guys. Enjoy the rest of your holidays. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.